Hi guys, this is your flower girl Shelly. I just kind of wanted to give you a little glimpse of the project that I have ahead of me here, and I'm so excited to share all this with you. But what I wanted to do is just take a closer look as to what it is that I have harvesting or have harvested, and am waiting to do the breakdown process. Okay, so this one is white Gara, which is a beautiful, beautiful plant. This here, oh yeah, shut up. Oh, I'm excited for this. This is Sea Star Sedum. Oh, you got to see the pictures of that. That is amazing. And I'll post pictures of what these look like in flower form as well. So this is my, purple alyssum. And boy, did that take off like crazy. And it reseeded itself this year. I didn't plant these seeds. They just all came up from last year's planting. So yeah. Got a bunch of those. And then in here I have Excelsior Mix Foxglove. So I just wanted to give you guys a little taste of what's to come on my future posts about this whole process here. So I'm looking forward to sharing that with you, and I will see you there.